back to our own channel. Today we are going to put some lava in.
So you've built the brown corners, which is the rocks that it went on. And now you're putting some lava into it, which is coming out of the doorway. So because it's lava, what colours are we using?
Red and orange.
And orange. And what can you tell me about lava, Owen? Do you know any facts about lava?
Lava is hot. Hotter than your oven. It's 4 times hotter than your oven.
Lava's 4 times hotter than your oven. So where would you find lava?
On near volcano or near Darth Vader's castle.
Near volcanoes or Darth Vader's castles. And can you name any volcanoes, Owen?
Kilauea.
Yeah.
Mauna Loa.
Yeah.
Mount Tiny.
Yeah.
Maruha.
Yeah. And what sort of volcanoes do you get?
You can get dormant.
Yeah.
You can get active.
Yeah.
Or
And what are the ones that don't happen anymore at all?
extinct.
Extinct. Wow. And have you ever seen a volcano?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yes, I've seen one.
Which one was that?
The one kind of thing
Mount Roja?
Yeah, Mount Roja.
Ah. Well, that's good. Right, so now you've told us all about volcanoes and you've done your lava coming out of the doorway of the castle. Shall we go and get ready for part 3 of Owen Channel? Yeah?
But maybe we may have situation.
Oh, what's the situation before we go?
The black goes over here.
Okay, so we'll work on that until the next time and then we'll come back with some more facts about geography and buildings.
Yeah.
Say goodbye until part 3.
Bye.